That was a firework, wasn't it? What are you going to do, Pat?
I'm going to ride the dirt bike.
You going to learn how to ride it today?
Yep.
First time, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Think you can do it?
Yep.
All right. Let's do it, brother. He thinks it's cool.
Do you see the gray hair? Look at the gray hair sprouting. Sprouting right as we
Because the little baby boys. Now you know where the gas is, right? Hey, where's the brake? How do you slow down?
How do you shift gears?
No, you don't need shift gears. Show me how you slow down. Slow down. Slow down, stop. I'm going to push you and you slow down and stop, okay?
Daddy says stop, hold the brake.
Stop. Hit the brake. Good job, Pat. Keep the brake on. Nice job. Can you use this one? That's a brake too, right there. Okay? So you got to stop. Try it again. No, don't hit the gas. We're just working on the brake right now. Look at me. We're just working on a brake right now, okay? Hey. I sure did. We're going to work on the brakes first, okay? Show me you can use the brakes. Right here, that one. And this one right here. So when I say brakes, you slow down, okay? Ready?
Brake.
Brakes. Good job, Peter. All right, one more time. Brakes. Nice. All right, go a little bit longer. Go a bit farther and I'll tell you. Roll, roll, roll.
All right, keep going until Daddy says stop.
Keep going until I say stop, okay? Keep going. Keep going. Nice job. Don't hit the brakes till I say stop, okay? I'm just pushing you. Don't hit the brakes till I say stop, alright? Alright.